Facebook's been acting crazy. I'm live. Hey guys, I shouldn't say Facebook was acting crazy because then it's going to go black, right? Hey guys, I'm Terrence, your computer concierge with Computers Plus at 3330 Cobb Park, which is 154 in Acworth, Georgia. Second location is 3473 Cherokee Street in Kennesaw, Georgia. Two great places that you can come and get something repaired or maybe possibly a new device for yourself or your significant other. I'm Terrence, and once again, I'm your computer concierge, and I want to talk about our new updated services on our website. So we've made some changes on our website, getting updated, streamlining things. Always try to make things better for you guys whenever you have that tech crisis. One thing that we've added was called our online protection. This is the best thing, Kat, that I think next to sliced bread, right? We are now giving you an opportunity to what? Have a relationship with our tech online. Yes, you're going to be able to talk with us, and you can be in a different state or in the same state. And if you want protection for your device, we care about security. We care about keeping you guys safe and giving you the best tips and the best tools on how to keep yourself safe. On our website, one of our blogs that we put out there was, if you're a business, how to keep yourself safe from ransomware when you're a business. Some of the things that you can do to help curb that exposure rate. And with this new service online, we now can offer this service to you guys online. So check out our website at computersplususa.com. Click online protection and read about it and see what some of the service that we can offer. Right now, we've been doing this program for actually over 10 years that we've been in business. We've been in business now 13 years. We actually rolled it out in 2 years after we opened, and we wanted to give people a chance to keep that ongoing tech support. You know, a lot of times when we buy these antiviruses from different locations, different places, you know, we get a 1-800 number, and when something goes wrong, we call the 1-800 number, and we're left with, what do I pay for? You know, you do need an antivirus, but with that antivirus, you need some type of support, because there's a lot of times that, you know, your antivirus isn't going to be able to tell you, hey, the person that called you is a scam artist, and somehow they fished your information online, and they're not really from Apple. They're not really from Amazon. You know, you get these emails, and your antivirus protects you while you're surfing, but doesn't look after you on those real world decisions and that happen. Like, you know, you gotta make decisions all the time. And sometimes these scammers, they prey on us, you know, not, you know, making wrong decisions, right? Somebody sends you an email and says, hey, your Geek Squad membership is overdue, $600. We've already renewed you. You just have to give us a call, and we'll sell it from there. That's a scam. That's a hack. Best Buy, I know the company, the great company. They have some really great things at Best Buy. But they're not going to do this. This is not real. So if you got the Best Buy Geek Squad scam, or you've heard of it, spread it around. Spread it around. There's another one. There's companies out there that will send you information that will say, hey, we caught you doing some bad downloads, and those downloads are bad, and now we're going to charge you money because we know the date, the time, and when you did this download. Now, there are ways that a server can find out when you logged on, what you did, especially if you logged into that server. There is a lot of hacking going out there where people take control of people's computer, right? And then you become kind of like a mule. You know, there was a time when Napster was really big, if you remember Napster, or you remember, you know, BitTorrent, where, you know, if you install that software, someone can go into your computer and download stuff and you not even know it. You literally not even know it. And it's just because you have it on your computer, you make an open window for that person, whomever they are, to go into your system, download information, use you as a mule, sell it over here, and just kind of just use you as a storage device. And that happens every day. There are so many hacks out there. We offer this online protection because, so this is the information that you get from us. Real world information that happens every day in our community, in our lives, to our family members. You know, this types of stuff affects people all the time, and this is why we're really passionate about it. about keeping people safe and keeping them protected and giving them information daily about how they can keep themselves protected, whether they're a business or whether they're themselves, and also a lot of this information doesn't hit the mainstream media. It's not in the 8 o'clock hour. They're not saying this. They're just nobody's talking about it, because a lot of times when it happens, it's kind of embarrassing, and that's the truth about it. So people don't like talking about it. They just kind of like keeping it to themselves. Well, we are your computer concierge. Give us a call and talk about it. If you have a loved one, maybe a singer that sometimes doesn't always make the best decisions, it's a great way of us talking with them and how we can keep them safe. Kids, hey, we're back to school, and a lot of kids are back online, and they are ready to get back to school. And I know us parents are like, yes. Because it's so amazing watching our kids grow every day and seeing their little brains develop and just becoming more and more aware of their senses. And that's what we do. We make you more and more aware of your senses when it comes to your computer. And with our online protection, that's a great way. It's a great start. And we actually recruit you. We recruit you to become a soldier and say, hey, now you're joining the team with us, and you're going to be a foot soldier in helping to keep people safe and finding ways and how we can completely, just eradicate these bad actors that do these terrible things when it comes to online. So, great new service that came out. Another great service that came out is, I know we've been rolling out, but it's our mail-in service. So, a lot of times people have Xbox, HDMI ports, PlayStation HDMI ports. They have all these HDMI ports, and they don't know where to get them fixed, right? Because I don't think Best Buy is doing them. So, Computers Plus here at Acworth and in Kennesaw, we can take care of that. And if you're viewing this session from, Hawaii, Arkansas, New Mexico, California, here's an opportunity to get some #1 A-rated service to get your devices fixed quickly. We have a mail-in service. Go on our website, computersplususa.com. Click that mail-in option. It starts in, it tells you how to get signed up, how we get your device to us, and a time frame as far as when you get your device back. So that's another great service that we're offering here at Computers Plus. Another thing is our online store. Now, online store, we have been doing online shipping for a long, long time. But now we made it more accessible for you out there. Because you're looking at this podcast, you say, hey, they got some really great stuff out there. How can I get it here in Michigan? How can I get it here in New York? How can I get it here in Wyoming or Wisconsin or wherever you may be at viewing this podcast? Go on our website, computersplususa.com, click online store. Look at all the different products that we have to offer. Now, I'm not going to say everything hits the website because, we have 2 retail locations and we get it out there as quickly as possible. But also give us a call, because whenever we do sell you a computer, we want to have a communication with you about that device. It's not like you're walking in and getting it from a conveyor belt. You got real hands working on real electronics, making sure that we give you the best electronics for the value and the protection to back it up. So those are just some of the things that we offer on our website. Now, today is Thursday. Tomorrow was Women's Wednesday. If you're a woman, let me give you, if you come in on Wednesday, say, I'm here for Women's Wednesday, we give you 10% off your service or off your product. And that's just our way of saying, hey, thank you for being the people that you guys are. Because I don't think any of us would be alive without women, right? Can I get a show of hands? Like, no? Okay. So it's just our way that we say, hey, thank you here at Computers Plus. If you guys want more information on that, just come in, or this is on the website. So I'm actually being flat because I got like a time limit that I'm on. Okay. Did I hit that? Okay. So Women's Wednesday. Tomorrow is Friday. And tomorrow is Free Diagnostic Fridays. And Free Diagnostic Fridays is a day that you can come in, bring your device. Diagnostic is waived. You don't pay anything up front. And we look at your device, give us 3 to 5 business days, just depending on the length of time, because sometimes devices take a little longer to diagnose. So give us 3 to 5 days to give you a call and say, hey, is it worth it or is it not worth it? Because that's really what it comes down to, especially when this comes to a device. There's different, there's so much more different avenues out there for purchasing a computer. So we want to give you all the options on the table and say, hey, you know what? It's going to cost X amount of dollars for it to fix. And then you say, hey, is it worth it or is it not worth it? And then in most cases, we found that it's worth it to actually fix it, because a lot of new ones are more expensive and you don't get all the things that you got on your older one. Like right now, disk drives, right? Remember disk drives? Disk drives were everywhere. And now you can't even find one on a computer. It's like rare. There was another thing that some laptops didn't have webcams because some people didn't want the webcam on their computer. You know, because we know with a webcam, it can be considered like a two-way communication, right? Depending on, you know, what you're on, or maybe you might be accidentally download something and can turn that webcam on without you knowing. So that, I mean, there was a time when people didn't want any webcams. So technology evolves, constantly changes. That's what we do at Computers Plus. We try to keep you guys updated on all the information. And on Fridays, it's Free Diagnostic Fridays. So, Free Diagnostic Fridays, our sale ends when?
The 11th.
August 11th. So you got till August 11th to buy one, get one half off. Half off. So you find a map and you say, hey, I want to buy this and I'll get this one half off. And it's a way of just, you know, saving yourself some money. We do take trade-ins. So you might have a computer. You say, you know what? I've had this for a long time. Let me trade one in and see what I can upgrade and see what those people over at Computers Plus can do to put me in a better situation, because we're going to do that. We're going to put you in a better situation. So I think I touched on everything from Free Diagnostic Fridays to Women Wednesday. Am I missing anything? Oh, Rent to Own. So, yes, so Rent to Own is an awesome program. So, you know, there are times where, you know, we have customers that come in and maybe they're starting their own business, or maybe they're a student and maybe they just don't have that money up front to just buy that device because they need it for something. They need it for school, for business. I mean, there's different stories that we hear. Our Rent to Own program is an amazing opportunity for you to get that device and make easy payments either weekly or either monthly. And sometimes we get customers that will buy it and they know they're going to pay it off in 2 months or 3 months. So they're like, you know, I know I'm going to pay it off in 2 or 3 months. I just need a little breathing room because I got this project that's due. And Computers Plus, you guys got this program, and you know, and it just makes sense. So check out our website, computersplususa.com. Click Purchase Options. We work with 6 different lenders. Some go up to $25,000. The really great beauty about it is that some of them, like Acima, Progressive, America's First, they actually report to your credit. So it's like no credit needed to get approved, but when you pay it off, it will affect your credit. It goes up, right? You pay it off, good standing, credit goes up, bam. It's a perfect way for some people to even establish credit, because some people don't have credit. So that is another great service. So I am just full of just all this great energy right now. Tomorrow is Friday. The weather looks very good. I'm Terrence, your Computer Concierge, signing off. If you have any questions, make sure you guys give us a call at 770-693-0769. We're here for you for our technical issues. I'm Terrence, your Computer Concierge, signing off. Bye.